Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add audio player to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store in the left side of your screen. And then you can go ahead to the edit theme to go to your website editor. And then you will be in the website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now you can choose the or where you want to add the audio. So let's say I want to add the audio here. So I'm gonna click add section here, and then we're gonna use custom liquid. So you can click this one, custom liquid, and now you can name it. It's up to you. So maybe I'm gonna name it audio layer. And now we need the liquid code or HTML code to embed our audio or upload our audio. So we're going to use offsite here. You can go to your offsite.com and then you can sign up for an account and then you can click explore widget and then in the audio player you can click on it and then you can click create widget for free. After that you can choose the audio or the style, the template. Maybe you want to like this or like this, it's up to you. You can click on it. It's like Spotify, or this one or this one. There are a lot of option here. So let's say I want to add maybe this one. So you can just click here and then click add to the website for free. And then you can just, add the tracks or delete the tracks. It's up to you. You can, set it up. And then you can just click publish. Now you can choose the plan. I'm going to choose free plan here. And then you can just copy the HTML code. And then you can go back to the server editor and the custom liquid. You can just press it. And then it will appear like this. It's very, very good, perfect. And you can just click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.